In this tutorial, I just quickly want to do a 3-string review. So the strings that we've learned, the first, second and third string, and where their notes are on the stave. So we're going to start with our first string first. Remember, the first string was E, F and G. E is open, also the top space. F, first finger, as close to the first fret line as possible, F. And G, right on top of the stave. Third finger, as close to the third fret line as possible, G. In order to play notes on the second string, when we stroke open second string, the string here, we are going to play B. If we press down our first finger in the first fret on the second string, so we're pressing down the second string as close to the first fret line as possible, we are playing C, and we will see that C is in the second space from the top. And then if we press down our third finger, we are going to play D, and D is on the second line from the top, stroking the second string again. And now, in order to play G, on the third string, we are going to play it open. And when we want to do A uses the second finger in the second fret, as close to the second fret line as possible. Holding that down with our second finger, we have an A. So playing all of them, going up, G, A, B, second string now, C, D, now third string, E, F, first fret, and G. So practice revising your 3-string review while reading your notes. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe and check out any other videos that might be useful. Thanks for watching.